Everybody, those of you guys who own SHIB, those of you guys who are wanting to buy more SHIB, let's talk about this today. We are forming literally the exact same pattern that we saw before we saw an incredible impulse move over here, and I hope you guys are seeing this. If not, I'll reveal this to you guys here, and we'll get into where's the next best spot to buy Shiba Inu. So let's get into that today, guys. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I'm just going to kind of cut to the chase in this video here. What we ended up seeing last time before we got a really, really big pump was a consolidation period. And I want to do a little bit more teaching in this video. Give me like 30 seconds here. What happens during these times where candles don't move very high or very low is you're getting a lot of equal buying and selling going back and forth. And it's really creating what's called a pressure point in the market. Is you've got, people going long, you've got people going short on other exchanges, and you've got the price hovering around this very, very tight channel. And when a channel eventually starts breaking out, and it usually comes down to, 3-4 candles where there's barely any body and you've just got movement back and forth, people trying to decide which way is it going to break. And then it finally goes. It's when the resistance or the support of the channel itself is broken is when you usually see the biggest moves up or down. So let me help you guys mock this up so you can watch this, because this will be really fun to watch this over the next few days. Come over here to the trend line, come all the way down to the regression trend, and let's just go like this. Let's just pull this trend right here that we can look at. So this is automatically going to pull the top wick and the bottom wick and give you guys a channel. This is the channel we're forming here. So once this channel here, and if you guys actually click on this, you can extend the lines to the right. You can see that once this broke, this thing absolutely just took off. It's because of all the consolidation that was happening down here, people placing bets on both sides of the market, betting on it going up or betting on it going down. It has to break to one side. All right, now take that same tool, come over here and click once right about over here, and then I'm just going to click into the future and just let it go right there. This is the channel I'm looking for. It is a little bit wider, so we can probably even come in here and do one more channel. We can place it right here and then like about right there. So what it's gonna, let's move it over just a little bit. I'm gonna go right about there so we can look at this channel. What we're doing is we're trying to cage in the beast, so to speak. So when we start breaking up, let's say above this line here, which would put us at about 1,350, we're probably going to see a target up here about 1,380, maybe pushing us to 1,400. It's once we start breaking this guy right here, which is about at 1,400, that's where we could see some really nice moves back up in the market. And that's really what I'm watching for as far as this momentum building right now. Now, you guys know we can't just talk about it going up. What happens if Shiba actually comes out and crashes here and goes down below support? Well, what we're going to be doing is looking for the next buy signal on the daily time frame. So if you guys know about this already, you can get this indicator in the description. It has been absolutely amazing, and it literally called the bottom over here for Doge and SHIB. By the way, I just did a Dogecoin video, and it called the bottom over here for Doge, the exact candle, and obviously for SHIB down here as well. So what I'm watching for is for the next time that we can see SHIB over here move down, and I believe it's going to be around this consolidation period right here. I'll give you guys a price, probably right around 1,163. That is where I'm looking for the next buy signal, and you guys will be seeing me buy more SHIB on this channel, and I'll be calling it out to all of you guys in our membership because we're trying to accumulate as many coins as possible. And we've currently, got the account up about $4,600 here by accumulating as many coins as we can at these lower prices. And we've been using indicators like this. We use the trend exhaustion, price to swell money flow if you've been with us for a while, but we are using this TC top and bottom finder, guys, to help us predict the bottoms. It literally is calling the bottom candles over here before it moves back up, the bottom candle and the bottom candle. So it goes to show, guys, the next spot I'm really looking for is that signal down here and for it to move back up. Now you can get this on your charts. Please set up alerts. I'll show you that in just one second, but you can go over to tradeconfident.io, snag a quick membership. It's $75 a month. You'll get access to all 20 crypto as well as stock charts. And I'm going to be giving you guys trade calls for all of our entries and exits for scalping the market. And we're up 440% scalping. And we have definitely taken a SHIB call. That one, we won SHIB like really fast, by the way, if you guys remember that trade call we called out. So when you guys have membership, we'll give you guys access to all that. And these are just some testimonials people are sharing with us. They're making their money back within 24 to 48 hours with the indicator they're using. And that's this one here. There's a link in the description. But I want to show this to you guys. Please come over here. If you guys take a second today, get the indicator and set up the alerts. So go to the alert section. I want you guys to click plus, and then you need to click SHIB USD, and then click this right here. Click top and bottom finder, And then I want you guys to click buy and then go to once per bar close and then do SHIB. And then you're just going to do buy. Okay. And then you're going to click create. After that, I really believe you guys need to be setting up a strong buy as well, because if we do go down really fast, you want to make sure you're getting alerted for the strong buy. So you're going to do SHIB and you're going to do strong buy. Okay. A lot of these YouTube videos I'm going to come out for you guys, in the next week and months and so, it's to show you guys how to set up these alerts and set this metric up so you guys can get confident in your trading. Guys, anybody who took a signal down here and rode this up, every single one of you guys who were patient enough to wait for a signal, you all made money. At the end of the day, you are trying to make money trading crypto. It is why you wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning or 6 a.m. and you look at your charts all the time. Yes, it's probably to have fun, because I understand looking at flashing things are really cool and that's great, but you're trying to make money, guys. Are you not? And I'm excited because we're actually up. I was going to post it in the thumbnail in the previous one, but I'll do it in this one. We're up $4,500 in the last 24 hours, guys, because, well, most likely the market went up a little bit, but it was EOS that has just been blown up over here, and it's our number one coin pick for 2022. And I'll show this to you guys in my portfolio here. It's clearly our number one pick here. It's almost doubled over Cardano here. And so literally within the last 24 hours, we've seen this go up. Honestly, quite a bit of money up here. I'll show this to you guys down here. This is a 1 day time frame, as you guys can see here. And we were sitting down here at about 71.6, and we're sitting up here about 76, almost 77,000. So let's call this roughly about $4,500. We're up, and it's just been so fun to trade this, guys. When you have a metric that is just this accurate, it just makes trading more fun and simple. And you know what, guys? It gives you more time with your family. My son's turning 1 year old today. We just went into his bedroom to, sing him happy birthday. And I used to be on the charts trying to figure out these trend lines, Fibonacci retracements. I talked about this in the Dogecoin video. All these different charts, these fundamentals. And I'm look, it didn't matter any of the news articles that came out. It called the top of the candle, which is the most important thing. It got us in at the bottom, which is the most important thing. So it took out the clutter, and it gave me more time back with my family, and it helps me make more money, and it helps me make it better. If you guys have been following us, you guys have been able to see that our scalping trades have won faster than they ever have in the past, because we're actually using the signals and we're being patient for them. It's so much fun, guys, and I think you're just going to absolutely love it. So come over here, snag a membership. You guys will get access into the Telegram channel. I'm making all the calls there. Once you sign up, just come into the Telegram channel right here. We are going to be going live with you guys in 2 days on Zoom too. So Thursday, August 25th, 2 to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we're going to go live with you on Zoom. Join us there. I'll talk about the indicator, the markets, and we're just going to hang out together as a family and just talk about things and do an open Q&A session. But I think you guys are literally going to love this. Come over to indicators. Here's the indicator right here. It says just released. Guys, snag it today. If you have purchased our bundle pack in the past and you have all of our 9 indicators, please email us. We'll give you guys a discount code. But if you guys want to get all of our past 9 indicators, go ahead and purchase the bundle pack today. And in the download link, I give you a PDF with a huge discount on the new indicators. It's actually cheaper. Listen to this. It's cheaper to buy the bundle pack and get the discount and buy the new indicator than buy the 2 new ones by themselves. It's actually cheaper by $1. We didn't really realize that until we came out with it. We're like, oh, it's actually cheaper to buy and get actually 11 indicators instead of just the 2. So if you guys want to do that, snag the bundle pack, and then you guys can just email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com, or it's actually in the checkout too. We'll give you guys a huge discount code, and you guys will literally get $400 off the new indicator. Set the alerts up, guys, and I think you are absolutely going to love them. All right, guys, have an amazing day. I love you guys. God bless you. We're looking for that next buy signal, and we're going to try to make some more money in this market, and it has just been a blast to trade with you guys. All right, we'll see you in the next video update. Bye, guys.